Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. I am the apprentice, and today we are going to be talking about the importance of staying hydrated.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Water is very important for you, and I don't need to tell you that regarding, your natural health and everything like that. Obviously, drink water as much as you can throughout the day. Sure, you can have your coffee, your tea, or your soda, and maybe stay away from energy drinks. I don't know. That's just me. But water is very important for you as a person, but also for your facial hair, for your beards. One thing that we don't necessarily talk about a lot regarding our facial hair is that there is water in it. It needs to stay hydrated, so itself has hydration. Just like our bodies have all this water inside, hair is a very similar way. It needs to stay hydrated and alive in order to grow. Now, the reason why we need to be drinking water, obviously, for the reasons that I said before, but when you drink water, this is good for blood flow. This is good for your overall system. And because of that, the benefit brings blood flow also to your face. So then once that blood flow is going to your face, it also promotes good growth on your face. I have been drinking a whole lot of water ever since I don't need to get into that. But I've been drinking a whole bunch of water as much as possible. My goal is typically about 100 ounces a day. Some people really should be doing more than that, some maybe a little bit less. But I aim for that. How we typically think about it, if you need some sort of calculation to figure out how much you need, take your body weight, cut that in half, and that's how many ounces of water you should be drinking every day. Yes, it does help promote the blood flow to face and everywhere else on your body. But like I said earlier, your hair does also consist of water. Now, if it's using that water on its own water, it will begin to dry out. And you don't want that, obviously, because then your hair starts to fall out, it maybe breaks. Also, it can get really itchy, and we all know how terrible that can be. So, a great way to combat that is going to be some good old H2O. Drink that, have as much as you can in a day, and that will help supply hydration and water for your hair to continue to have a healthy growth pattern. Now, this video wasn't intending to be very long. I just like to talk about how good water is, and ever since I've been drinking it kind of close to the beginning of summer. So I'm just going to say it one last time. Drink your water. Please stay hydrated. It's very important, not just for your beard, but for your overall health. We hope that you enjoyed this video, everybody. If you did, please consider liking and commenting down below. Do you love water? Do you hate water? What's your struggle with getting back into drinking water? Just let us know down in the comments anything that you can think of regarding drinking water. It is a very important part of your life, and you should be trying to take it seriously. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. At Fable, we are trying our best to put out any videos that has tricks, tips, even stories for anything beer related. So if that is something that you enjoy, this is where you need to be. So adventurers, as we always say at the end of our videos, may your beards be forever blessed, and may fortune, treasure, and a whole lot of water be forever at your door. Have a good day.